Hello guys, in this video we are going to do a review of IBell's electric chapati maker. There is a non-stick layer on the top and bottom heating plates. On the top part you can again find a regulator for regulating the temperature of the chapati maker. In the sides if you see, there is nothing much there on either of the sides. In the bottom there is a sticker which shows the current rating. After connecting the chapati maker to the plug, there are two lights which lights on. The red one indicates the chapati maker is on and the green one indicates that the chapati maker is being heated up. Once the chapati maker is on, lift the upper plate and keep it inside. Avoid touching each plates together. Here the green LED is off because it reached the temperature what I have set it in the dial. For increasing the temperature, rotate the dial to the clockwise direction. Once it reaches the temperature, the green LED turns off. So guys, here you can see both the green and red LED is turned on now. So let's wait for the green LED to turn off. Okay, now the green LED has been turned off. Now you can go ahead and prepare your chapati. So that's it guys, hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.